Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, we're looking at a simple React.js application where we will look at how to create Excel files from the JSON data. So for this, I will be using a package XLS, which is a very famous library if you want to actually create a Excel file. So this is my application. Let me show you. I'm running this application on localhost 3000 port number. Localhost 5173. It's a React.js application which is running. So it has a button out there which says download Excel. If I click this button, you will actually see the Excel file will get downloaded. And if I open this Excel file, you will actually see there are three columns: name, age, country, and we have two rows of data right here. So inside this, we are actually having a JSON object, which we have a data object. We have creating these data, name, age, country, two rows of data, and we are downloading an Excel file inside React.js. So now let's get started how to build this application from scratch. So what I will do, I will start everything from scratch, and for this you do need to have install this package XLS npmi XLSX. This is a package. XLSS, this is a package. Excel file library. After you install this, you can start your application npm run dev. So first of all guys, we will actually create a functional component, and we'll simply say export default app. So we have a return statement, we'll have a functional component, and we'll simply say hello world. So if you see, this is actually a very simple functional component hello world is saying. So it is running this application localhost 5173 with hot auto reload. So right here inside this, we will have a simple button. We will have first of all React Excel file example. After this, you will have a button which will simply say to the user that download Excel file, and inside this button you'll be giving an on click listener. So when you click this button, we will simply create a function which will say create Excel file. Now we need to define this function, so you simply say create Excel file. So this function guys, basically we first of all declare a data object, and inside this we have data. We will have the name property, name column. Let me say we have the second column. So let me just declare these two data. Oh sorry, this is an array of objects. Sorry, we have array of objects. So we have declared two objects, two rows of data. So we have three columns: name, age, country. After we declare this data, we can need to actually add a worksheet in the Excel file. So for adding that worksheet, we need to import that module that we installed. First of all, we'll be importing the React module from base React library, and then we need to import actually the XLS package as XLS from XLS package. So right here we need to add a worksheet, and we will simply need to create a variable for this. We will simply say worksheet XLS utils, and it contains a function of JSON to sheet. JSON to sheet guys, actually we have a JSON data. We created array of JSON objects. So we have two objects right here which contains three properties: name, age, country. We will take this JSON data and create a sheet of Excel file. We pass this data as an argument, And now we need to create a workbook, and for this we will be using again this function utils, and we'll creating a new book. It's like this, we're using this function. After that, XLS utils, and it contains this function book append sheet. So we'll be creating a new sheet inside the Excel file, and we will use this workbook. Pass the first argument. The second argument is the worksheet that we are using, worksheet, and here we need to put the sheet name. We will simply say sheet 1. So we are simply creating a new sheet inside the Excel file. So we're giving a name to it. You can give any name of your choice. After you give this sheet name, now you will actually create an Excel file. So Excel buffer, and then this XLS module contains a write function which actually writes the Excel file using this workbook, and it takes a second object which is the book type that you need to specify right here. Book type, it can be either CSV, XLS. So in my case I'm creating an Excel file, so it will be XLS file. The second parameter will be the type of the file, so it will be a array. And after it, we need to convert this into a blob so that we can download this in the browser. So for creating it, converting it to blob, we will be using a function. We will instantiate a new instance of blob object, and here we'll be passing this Excel buffer that we are receiving, and the second parameter is the type parameter. So here you need to specify the mem type, which is application slash y and the open XML formats. So basically, yeah, just putting that mem type for the Excel file so that we can download this. So after you do this, we need to download this in a link tag. So we create a new link tag by using the create element function, and then we give it a file name, url.create object URL, and pass the blob. We give it a file name. So when you download the Excel file, this example.xls will be the file name given, and then just click the link by using the link.click, and then we will simply revoke this URL by revoke object URL and then link href. So this completes the application. If you now try to test it, you have a button out there. If you click this button, you will see the all the data that you provided in the JSON object has been converted into an Excel file, and you can add more data inside this. So it's very easy. Just go to the JSON and just paste some more rows of data. You can change the data, name, age, country accordingly. You can put any sort of columns, depends upon you. So in this way you can create Excel files very easily in browser using React.js and using this package XLS. So this was a complete example that I showed you in this video. So thank you very much for watching this video, and do check out my website as well, guys, freemediatools.com, which contains tools regarding audio, video and image. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video. Until then, thank you very much.